The Agilent PlateLoc Thermal Microplate Sealer has distinguished itself as the premier thermal microplate sealer through its speed, small footprint, ease of use, and dependability. A large, easy-to-read touchscreen interface allows for fast and easy manual operation. The PlateLoc is ready to quickly respond to plate sealing chores since no cool-down periods are required. The typical sealing cycle is 8 seconds. The PlateLoc Microplate Sealer automatically accommodates deep well, assay, PCR, and compound storage microplates. The sealing cycle begins when the automated plate stage delivers the microplate to the hot plate sealing position. Roll-fed heat seal enters the rear of the chamber. A vacuum transfer plate delivers the heat seal to the sealing position, where it is cut to size and applied to the microplate. An extended travel plate stage, RS-232 serial port, and ActiveX control makes PlateLoc the ideal sealer for robotic integration. And the EasyView top-loading heat seal support makes it easy to replenish the heat seal supply. Fast, easy, reliable microplate sealing. That's what the Agilent PlateLoc Thermal Microplate Sealer delivers. For more information or to request a quote, please contact your Agilent representative or customerservice.automation@agilent.com. Thank you.